Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will talk about the design tokens process. Usually, without design tokens, once you create the design and you hand it over to the developers, each developer must inspect manually your design elements to get the values. For example, you are creating a project and this project have different platforms like web version, iOS app, Android app. So once you finish the design, you inform your developers design has been done, and each developer must inspect manually, for example, the button to can see the value for the background color for the border and so on. And this manual handoff to the developers can have a chance your design will not be consistency in different platforms or different devices. That's why the design tokens come here to solve this problem and to fill this gap. We called it one source of truth because once you do the design on Figma by design tokens, we can convert these tokens to code, and this code can be converted to different platforms code. Let's take a look here. While you are doing the design on Figma, you take a decision by creating some design tokens. If you are using Figma variables, that means you have to export the code of your tokens manually by using div mode, or you have to use some plugins to generate the JSON code automatically. Once you have the JSON code, you can use the style dictionary or Tokens Studio configurator, but actually Tokens Studio configurator is a copy from style dictionary, but user-friendly. So I need my JSON code of tokens to be converted automatically to a different platform. Okay, so if you are using Tokens Studio plugin, the JSON code automatically generated immediately. Then also you can use Tokens Studio configurator or the style dictionary and set up it to say, okay, I need the JSON code to be converted to CSS, Objective-C, or Swift UI for iOS, or Kotlin for Android, and so on. So this process can help you to make sure there is no issue of consistency. Everything will be consistent in different platforms or different devices because everything controlled by you in Figma as a designer. You take a decision here by creating tokens, automatically converted to JSON code, automatically converted to different platform programming languages. So developers here, only one time, they will call your tokens, or they will call component specific tokens you will create. Then later, if you did any changes here on Figma, they will do nothing. In this course, we will learn both tools, Figma variables and Tokens Studio plugin, and we will create a full example using Figma variables and Tokens Studio plugin. That's it for today. See you again. Bye.